स्टार्ट करो खुशबू। खुशबू, नहीं आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही। यस, स्टार्ट करो।
Hello everyone, my name is Sonam Meena. I study in 12th class. Today my topic is importance of hard work. Hard work is very important in the human's life. The person who is working hard is able to achieve the success and happiness in life. Uh, Hard work determines our value in life. Diligence is the weapon of human life on the strength of which he can overcome even the most severe crises. There is a well-known proverb, no pain, no gain. Hard work never goes wasted. Man can get rid of every problem of his life by working
वर्किंग
working
हार्ड।
hard.
हाँ,
Yes, working hard.
कोई
No
बात नहीं
work
बेटा।
in
हाँ,
the world can be successful or accomplished without hard work.
हाँ,
Nothing is easy to be achieved in life without doing any hard work. Therefore, it has been said that hard work is the key to success.
हाँ,
The person who is constantly working can easily get success in any field.
हाँ,
The person who is away from hard work is always unhappy and dependent on others. Diligence and hard work is essential for achieving success in life. The hard worker is always victorious in the race of life. But lazy people always have to face defeat everywhere. There is no work that does not succeed with diligence. Any human can change his destiny through
डेस्टिनी,
hard work.
डेस्टिनी।
Yes, sir, destiny through hard work. People who are hardworking are characterful, honest, and self-supporting. He gets success with true dedication and constant hard work. A person who works hard can easily succeed in any field.
सक्सीड।
To achieve yes, sir, success in any to achieve success in life, perseverance and hard work are very important. Whoever has progressed in the world is the result of all hard work. That's it, sir.
Start करो।
करो बेटा।
Hello everyone, my name is Khushbu Peswani and I am the student of Rambad Online Interactive Classes from Batch First and I am studying in BCom first year. Today I want to tell you about the importance of hard work. Hard work has great importance in the life of a human being. Diligence is the weapon of human life on the strength of which he can overcome even the most severe crises. Man can get the rid of every problem in his life by working hard. No work in the world can be successful or accomplished without hard work. Therefore, it has been said that hard work is the key to success. The person who keeps away from hard work is always sad and dependent on others. The hard worker is always victorious in the race of life, but lazy people always have to face defeat everywhere. There is no work that does not succeed with diligent. We can also change our dignity by working hard. Only through labor can the path of progress and development be opened. The importance of diligence or karma was also explained by Sri Krishna by teaching the Gita to Arjun. According to him, karmanyavadhikarasya ma phaleshu kadachana.
गुड।
It means hard work or work is the actual worship of man. Without worship, it is very difficult for a person to be happy and prosperous. The person who keeps away from Hard work is a person who is dejected, lazy, is always sad, and dependent on others.
Hmm.
That's
Very good.
Thank you.
Yes.
So start.
Hmm.
Hello everyone, my name is Priyamina and today I'm telling about the hardworking, importance of hardworking. Importance of hardworking.
Hard working nahi.
Hard work. Hard work is the key of the success. Hard work is the physical and mental. They both are fruit providing. Hard work is the one of such goldfish key which open our the locked door of our life.
Very good. बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो. शाबाश.
The toughest job can also make possible by the hard work. In this world, the person who do hard work, the success is kisses steps of the same. The Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Sardar Patel, revolution did hard work in their life to freedom our country. This world filled from endless enjoyment of same can do in which is the diligence of hard working. That person who do hard work, he of course get his success.
Shabash.
Hard work is the key of humans. Hard work is the key of humans. Make it special. Some person give a high importance to the thread. Thread gives rise to laziness in our life, and laziness life is the curse for the humans. For example, the rats does not sit in the cat's mouth. Like that, human cannot get their growth and development without hard working.
Shabash.
The person who do hard work, they have not time of any type of idle talk. The person in habit of doing hard work, his body is very good. Human's body is remains free from diseases. From hard working. If the students will not do hard work, they cannot success in their examination. If today countries people do laziness, so we can't do laziness.
They can't get success.
We can't get success in our life. If we will do hard work, there is no poverty in our life.
Shabash.
That people who never get failure. So I want to say that we should do hard work very much. That's it.
Hello everyone, my name is Nisha. I am a student of Raman online interactive classes from VC. Today I am telling about importance of hard work. Hard work is very important in our life because without hard work, a person can't success in our life.
In his life.
Everyone do hard work in this world and they get their success in this world. People give value to hard work in this world because this way you will do as a hard work. That way you will get as success. We should hard work in our life because this way a farmer grows grain, do hard work for our eating. A doctor does checkup from hard working for our healthy health, and a teacher teach the children from hard working the progress for the country. That way we should hard work for our future. The country can't progress without hard work, so Indians give a big value to hard work. Hard work. A person who do not hard work, he is an unhealthy, sad, and new person in our in her life. Should hard work for our success in this world, because without hard work, a person loses her identification in this world.
Very good.
So we should hard work for make our identification in this world. That's all.
Very good. चालू कर.
I am Anjali Meena. I telling about importance of hard working. Hard work are very important. Hard work is the most important key to success.
शाबाश.
The achievements without hard work are impossible. An idle person can never gain anything if they sit and wait for the better
opportunity.
Opportunity
to come.
The person who is working hard is able to gain the success and happiness in life. Thinking is ऐसे to be achieved in life without doing any hard work. A person can excel in his career due to hard work. If he sits at home, no one would offer him a job unless in
क्या हुआ बेटा?
the job searching process. Also, if you are working in a company, you will promoted only because of hard working. Hard working is great. Hard working is a great quality. All work is noble. Work is worship. Hard work is the key to success. That's it, sir.
करो स्टार्ट करो.
Hello friends, I am Neha Sharma from 12th class. I am the student of Ramban Live Interactive classes. I want to say on the importance of hard work. Hard work is one of the most important thing in life. It is most important key to success. Hard work helps us overcome procrastination, fear of failure and bad habits. It gives us a purpose. The secret of success is hard work. It makes success becomes bigger Uh, through hard work, we gain experience. Without hard work, the life stands next to nothing.
Very good.
The hard work beats the talents. It always pays and never goes unrewarded or in vain. The hard work is the part of human life. The hard work is when we become serious, committed, and dedicated for the achievement of our set goals and tasks. Um, Hard work doesn't guarantee success, but improves its chances. The famous books are says, big dreams big, work hard, stay focused, and surround yourself with good people. Through hard work and education, we can deliver a strong economy and opportunity for all.
Good.
Hard work work hard in silence. Let success make the noise.
Very good.
If people knew how hard I worked to achieve my mystery, it wouldn't seem wonderful. It wouldn't seem so wonderful after all. A dream doesn't become reality through magic. It takes sweet determination and hard work. It is called practice make perfect. That's it, sir.
Yes, sir.
Start.
Hello everyone, my name is Karan and today I am telling about the importance of hard work. Hard work is the most important key to success. The achievements without hard work are impossible. A person can never gain anything if they sit and wait for the better opportunity to come. The person who is working hard is able to gain the success and happiness in life. Nothing is easy to achieve in life without doing any hard work. The Edison was working for 21 hours a day and he sleeps only 2 or 3 hours on the tables with his book and his pillow. Mahatma Gandhi ji worked day and night and he won freedom for his country. The hard work is a price that we pay for success in life. The work is worship. The man of action acts in a living present. There is no tomorrow for him. He makes the best time. Life is full of happiness. The failure in life is very often due to idleness. The industry is the key to success. Industry makes and idleness a nation. That's all.
Hey everyone, I am Aman from 12th class. I am a student of Ramban online interactive classes. Today I am telling about the importance of struggle. You know all very well that the person cannot get anything in this world without struggle. The person's life is when without struggle. Struggle is weapon of human life. On the strength of which which can be got to win heavy
बेटा ये रेड पेन दे देना जरा
problems.
हम्म,
Struggle is that quality which is eradicated struggle person is that's it, sir.
बोलो
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Jyoti Narwal, and I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes. Today, I am here to speak about topic what is the importance of hard work in our life. So, hard work is very important in all person's life. There are many person who does hard work and struggle in his life, and without hard work nothing is possible, because hard work is the key of success. So we can get everything by hard work, and we can and every work complete by hard work, and God gives us many instruments like hand, body, mind, legs, brain, etc. And when the God gave us, He gave us for using it, and they can and human can use it, and they can doing hard work by it. But I noticed many times that many persons who go to door for begging, and beside of everything, beside of all thing is tough, and he has completely fine, but they used to beg, and it is not good. So those persons should understand the importance of hard work, and there are many exam and we can see many examples of hard work. That first, when we build our house, the mystery does hard work for making our house, and after much hard work the point is ready to sell in the market, and many iron instrument also change its size after hurting and heating by blacksmith, and we can, and in the last we can see the example of student life, that a teacher teaches us in the same class, and he teach equal to all students, but only those students get success in life who does hard work in his life, and those students not get success in life, those who is feel laziness in his life. So hard work is very important in all person's life, and without hard work we can't imagine our life, because hard work is the key of success, and without hard work we can't achieve our goal. That's it, Guruji.
कर दे बेटा.
Hello friends, my name is Komal Meena. I am a student of Raman Online Interactive Classes. Today I am telling about importance of hard work. Hard work is very important in the human life.
Hard work is the most important key to success. The achievements without hard work are impossible. Hard work is a great quality. A hardworking person is always happy in life. Success is the result of hard work. The way of hard working is difficult, but it makes our life easy. A hardworking person is always successful in his life.
Shabash.
Hard work is important for everyone for achieving all the aims of life. An ideal person can never gain anything if they sit and wait for the better opportunity to come. Nothing is easy to be achieved in life without doing any hard work. A hardworking person is always loved by everyone.
Shabash.
We should hard work to live a happy and respectful life. No doubt, hard work and success go hand in hand. That's it.
Very good.
Hello friends, my name is Dilkus Mina. Today I am telling about importance of hard work. Hard work is the most important key to success. The achievements are impossible without hard work. A person who is hard worker, he can get anything in his life. Hard work determines our value. Man can get rid of every problem of his life by
राइटली
hard
रीड होता है
work.
बेटा, रीड. हाँ बोल.
Yes, sir. We can't nothing that without hard work in our life. So it can be said that hard work is most important for us in our life. The person who stays away from hard work, he remain unhappy and depend others. The hard work is away with the hard work is always victorious in the race of life, but lazy people always have faced defeat anywhere. Any human can change his destiny through hard work. So hard work is very important in our life. We should hard work in our life. That's all.
Can I start? Hello friends, myself Priyanka Sharma. I am the student of Ramban English online interactive classes from B2. Today I want to tell you about the importance of the hard work. Hard work is one of the most important things in life as it helps us to be more confident. If we will work hard, then we will be able to achieve all our goals and fulfill all our dreams. Working hard with full determination always pushes us one step ahead in life and helps us surpass our limitations. Without hard work, the life stand next to nothing. The world we witness today speaks about the value and importance of hard work for the success and progress of humanity on this planet. It is wrong to say that to achieve success and fame one should be lucky enough and the smart work is stronger than hard work. It is always not the fact. With a constant hard work and commitment, one can beat the talent and become successful. The luck is always on the side of hard working. The hard work has so many benefits in our life. It makes us goals oriented, successful, and straightforward. The hard working people are not lazy and lethargic. They are always in the search of doing something unique and beneficial. They are eager to solve the problems and makes lives easier.
Makes lives
Without
easier.
makes life easier. Without hard work, we are nothing. Mukesh Ambani, Amazon CEO Jeff Bezos, Pepsi CEO Indra Nooyi are examples of hardworking person. That's it, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
बोलो.
I am Pooja. Today I am topping. Today I am telling about hard work. Hard work is very important for us. Hard work, meaning of success. Hard work or work is the actual worship of man. We cannot achieve success without hard work. A person who work hard can achieve in any field. It is very difficult for a person to prosper happily without hard work.
शाबाश.
We can improve themselves.
Ourselves.
Ourselves. That's it.
Okay.
सर वो अटक गया था, मैं क्या करूं?
कोई बात नहीं, आजा बोल.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. I am Payal Sharma. Today telling about importance hard work.
Of hard work.
Of hard work. Hard work is very important in the human life. The person who is working hard is able to achieve the success and happiness in life. Hard work determines our value in life. Diligence is the weapon. Diligence is the weapon. Sir, weapon होता है ना?
हाँ, weapon होता है.
Of the human life, on the strength of which he can overcome even the most servers. See, there is a well-known proverb: no pain, no gain. Hard work never goes wasted.
Vested, हाँ, ठीक है.
Wasted. Man can get rid of every problem of his life by working hard. No work in the world can be successful of. सर निपुण कार्य में दक्ष या निपुण को क्या बोलते हैं? परफेक्ट विदाउट हार्ड वर्क nothing is easy to be achieved in life without doing any hard work. Therefore it has been said that hard work is the key of success. The person who is sorry sir, एनी सर मैं वो वाली लाइन भूल गई.
कोई बात नहीं, छोड़ दे.
Any
Easy feel
human
करो आप.
can change his destiny
हम्म,
through hard work.
हम्म,
People who are hard work are characterful, honest, and self-supporting.
हम्म,
We get success with true dedication and constant hard work. A person who works hard can easily succeed in any field. To achieve success in life, and hard work are very important. Whoever has progressed in the world is the result of all hard work. That's it, sir.
very good.